Isa alayhi salatu wassalam one day, he goes by a group of people, 3 people, and he sees that these people are thin. They've gone thin, and their colors have changed. He asks them, what made you go thin? What changed your state? They tell him, fear of hellfire. We fear entering the abode of punishment. Isa says, alayhi salam, it is upon Allah to grant safety to all those who fear. In other words, Allah Ta'ala places a right on himself, saying, it is your right upon me to grant you safety if you truly fear me. Then Isa alayhi salam goes by and meets 3 other people. These people are even thinner than the first, and their colors have changed even more. Again, he asks them, what changed your state? They tell him, we long for paradise. We have shawq. We long for paradise. Castles, hur al-ayn, food, drinks, rivers. We want to go to Jannah. He says, it is Allah's right to grant those who long for paradise. Then he moves and meets a 3rd group of people. 3 people again. These people are the thinnest out of the 3 groups. They've changed most out of the 3 groups. So he asks them again, what made you change? What changed you? They tell him, what changed us is the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We love God azza wa jal. We haven't changed due to fear of hellfire or because we long for paradise. But because we love God azza wa jal, Isa alayhi salam said, Antumul muqarrabun. You are the closest to God. You are the closest to God.